Hi everyone, let's begin the new video. Let's make a sentence. A dog has 4 legs. A dog, good job, has 4, well done, legs. Hoo-hoo! A dog has 4 legs. Well done. Get me a toy. Get me fantastic. A toy. Perfect. Hooray! Get me a toy. Get me a toy. Good job. You are doing so well. I am good at tennis. I am, good job, good at, perfect, tennis. Hoo-hoo! I am good at tennis. I am good at tennis. I have a fever. I have, well done, a fever. Perfect. Hoo-hoo! I have a fever. I have a fever. Learning is an adventure. Let's explore together. He is my best friend. He is, good job, my best, well done, friend. Hoo-hoo! He is my best friend. He is my best friend. Keep learning, keep signing. Get into the car. Get into, good job, the car. Perfect. Hoo-hoo! Get into the car. Get into the car. Good job. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I like cake. I like, well done, cake. Hoo-hoo! I like cake. Outstanding. I like cake. The more you learn, the more you grow. She must be sick. She must, good job, be sick. Awesome. Hoo-hoo! She must be sick. Learning is like magic. The more you do it, the stronger you become.